Hello everyone, my name is Patrick. Now I'm going to show you the new city of Lisbon in Portugal. This is the new business area and then I will show you some videos. In this video, I want to introduce Lisbon is a modern city in Portugal and it's one of my favorite cities in Europe. And then I will discuss about how to get the permanent visa in Portugal. I mean the permanent residence is not immigration for Chinese. That means we no longer need to apply the visa. As the last video I just mentioned, Lisbon is a global city. Because of its importance in finance, commerce, media, entertainment, arts, international trade, education, and tourism. And then I believe this is the beneficial of the global city. It's enough for us to just speak English in this city, and Lisbon is very close to Spain. So people can speak Portuguese, Spanish, and English. First of all, the reason why I like this city because it's not only contain the old buildings but also the modern area, such as this square. And I also like the location, which is really close to Spain and close to the beach. I'm not really sure it's a sea or river, but I will show you later. Let's listen to the song. As I've gone into thee, for every piece of me that wants you, I've got to be right away. The weather in this city is pretty good and warm. The average temperature is around 6 to 24 degrees, so it's really comfortable for us. It's not like the weather in UK, it's unstable and very cold. And I also like the air condition here, it's comfortable and clean. Then I will talk about the food. Portuguese Thai is quite popular in this country, so I believe the bread and dim sum is really good and not expensive. And there are a lot of selection for us for the dinner. Personally, I like the Spanish food, so I can choose the Spanish restaurant everywhere. However, Lisbon is very close to the Spain, so the food and culture is quite similar in these two areas. I have already checked some information. If you want to apply the permanent resident in Lisbon, you only need to pay for or invest 300,000 euros and stay more than 7 days every year. After 5 years, and then you can get a BRB card. And also the education is free. That means the primary school and middle school is free, but you have to choose the public school. That means you have to learn the Portuguese. But I have already know that normally the Chinese parents will send their children to the international school, and it's super expensive. Let's talk about the transportation. Traffic in this city is really convenient. You just need to spend 2 euros from the airports to the city center. And normally in UK I have to spend more than £20. And it's also very convenient and very cheap to take the taxi. For example, I take the blah blah card, 2 hours trip I only spend £10. What's more, the healthcare in Portugal also free. I would say that Lisbon is really nice city and it becomes one of my favorite city in Europe. And yeah, that's all. Thank you. Bye.